It's January 10th. It's a Saturday. I'm in Norwich, Connecticut. This is Yantic Street. Right up there. And this is Falls Mill Condominiums. I'm here to look at the new staircase that they put in. Very recently, they just finished this up. They worked on the project. It took a considerable amount of time to get this done, and it was worth the wait. And the people that worked on it took their time and did a meticulous job. This staircase right here wasn't here. This is new. Right there. Everything is new. New rails. This was... let's take a look at this. And there's new... This sidewalk in front of me, which is very rugged, is brand new. This was not here. This area was extremely difficult to walk through. There were rocks and gravel and just tree stumps. It was very difficult to navigate around here. I'm going to point this camera up. There's a house up there, very steep hills on both sides. I mean steep. This is like a gorge. I feel like I'm walking through the middle of a big gorge. As you can see, the beautiful sidewalk. I mean, these people that did this project, I used to watch them work a little bit. There's drainage, that sewer system and everything. This hay or straw that you see on the side there is brand new, so I assume I mean, it's off season right now. Nothing's growing. It's in the middle of winter, so. But that'll be nice, grass or whatever it is. So this is, I'm walking at a slight angle up. But this staircase was traveled by, for example, students going to NFA, among many, many other people, but this is decades old. These are new right there. This is all brand new. Every step I'm taking is all new. Right there. And here's the staircase. See that handrail? Brand new. See that cement? Brand new. Let's take a look straight up. I mean, I don't know if this is doing it justice, this camera. There's a house up there. Big, huge, old, probably Victorian home. As we climb the stairs, let me take my time here. Big steep hill, all nicely graded. Whoever did the work did it right. They built this thing to last. I mean, this staircase is bomb-proof, I'll tell you right now. This thing's going to be here for the duration. Again, some of the grading. You can see how steep it is. As we work our way from Yantic Street, when I get to the crest here, it'll be Sachem Street. This is Sachem. Up that way would be NFA if I kept walking straight, Chelsea Parade. Down this way would be... It would hit Lafayette Street if I took it all the way to the end. Let's get a side view of this Incredibly beautiful staircase. I'm going to take a walk up Sachem, just a couple of feet here. And I'll work my way back down. Again, if I kept walking straight, that would bring me to Norwich Free Academy, Chelsea Parade, Teal House is up there. Washington Street is where that light is, and the next street beyond that is Broadway. And this is Sachem Street, so we're going to work our way back down this big staircase. We'll descend. There it is right there. Very, very important staircase to a lot of people. And a lot of people have been waiting for this to open. It was kind of, they had like taped off yellow police tape. I'll take my time going down here. There's a person walking down the stairs in front of me. It gives us some perspective on the size of the staircase. I don't know how many steps. I should have counted them, but it's considerable. But it's kind of a valley, or a, you know, the center low section of a gorge right there. With that curvy, beautiful new sidewalk. The upgrade, I can't emphasize how much of an upgrade this is compared to the old, broken down, disintegrated staircase that was here. It served its purpose for many decades, but weather, time, other, you know, the elements of harsh winters and boiling hot summers just eventually disintegrated the cement and fell apart. It was dangerous. It was still utilized. But it was very dangerous. I walked it many times, and as I was walking, like here, this section right here, there was no sidewalk. It was just, you know, as I said earlier, gravel, rocks, tree stumps, branches that fell across. You had to climb over. It was muddy. It was just a disaster. But people used it because it was extremely convenient to get from Yantic Street to Sachem Street. If you didn't have it, you'd have a big problem. You'd have to walk all the way around. That's the, you know, if you're walking in the rain or cold or whatever, you want to get the most efficient walk you can get in. This staircase meant a lot to a lot of people. It's been here for decades. It goes way back. I don't know when it was first put in, the previous staircase, but it's. I remember my father talking about it when he was a kid. So, yeah, it's going way back. If you have ever walked on this staircase, the old one, and you're looking at this thing right now, this video, you know what I'm talking about. And you probably have a lot of good memories of that other staircase. But we're back to where we started, so let me walk up here a little bit and I'll just end this video. Take one last wide shot of this staircase from over here. There it is, way up there in the distance. One last look. Thanks for joining me.